Today we will do the chapter fraction. Which chapter we are going to study? Fraction. Fraction. Fraction means a part of whole. A part of whole. Part of whole means complete group, complete reason. You can say group or reason. Is it okay? The definition of fraction, a part of whole. Is it right? A fraction has numerator and denominator. Is it okay? In fraction, there is two parts, numerator and denominator. How to write these parts in fraction? You will write upper part is numerator and lower part is denominator. Example 3/5. This is the example of fraction. In this fraction, 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Right? Okay. Now see, I have the reason. This reason, and I am dividing this into 5 equal parts. Is it okay? These are 5 equal parts, and I am shaded here 3 parts. So what fraction we will write here? 3/5. This fraction represents this reason, because in fraction we will write the total number of equal parts as denominator and total number of shaded portion parts you will write numerator as a numerator. Right? Okay. Always remember, in a whole reason you will write denominator as a total number of equal parts and numerator what we ask. Then you will write the shaded portion, the unshaded portion you will write as numerator. Okay? Now come to number line. Conversion of fraction on number line. Suppose I have the example 2/3. Is it okay? How to represent this fraction on number line? In this fraction, the denominator is 3. You will divide the number line in between the 0 to 1 in 3 portions, because here is the denominator 3. You will divide 1, 2 and 3. And how to represent? 1/3, 2/3 and 3/3. That is 1. Is it okay? Always remember, you take the denominator. We will represent on the number line, you take the denominator. What's the denominator? You will divide the portion 0 to 1 in between that. Is it okay? Suppose here is 3. You will divide 3 portion, 1, 2 and 3, and you will mention this here. You will locate here. Is it okay? Now, come to the fractions again. Proper fraction. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction. Fractions having the numerator. Having the numerator less than the denominator. Are called proper fraction. Example. 2/5 6 by 11. Look at this. 2 is less than to the denominator. 2 is numerator and 5 is denominator. And 2 is less than the 5. And 6 is less than the 11. So these are the examples of proper fraction. Now come to the improper fraction. What's the improper fraction? In this fraction, numerator is equal to and greater than to denominator, either equal to or greater than denominator. Is it okay? Example. Suppose 5 by numerator is greater 5 by 6. This is not the greater one. Numerator greater and equal. 6 by 1. You can take 5 by 5. You can take 1 also. 1 is also a improper fraction, right? And you can take 7 by 2. These are the examples of improper fraction. In this fraction, again I am repeating, numerator is either equal to and greater than the denominator. Either greater than here, equal to, and here is also equal to, and here is greater than. Is it okay? These are the examples of improper fraction. Come to the like fraction. Like fraction. What are they? In these fractions having the denominator equal. Suppose 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 5 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here the denominators are equal. Like fractions may be proper, improper. This is the example of proper fraction. This is also proper fraction. This is the example of improper fraction. This is also proper fractions. Means like fractions may be proper and improper. Come to the again like fractions having the denominator same. Is it okay? That are called like fractions. Come to the unlike fractions. Unlike fractions having the denominator different. Is it okay? Again I am repeating, fractions having the denominator different, they are called unlike fractions. Suppose 2 by 7, 6 by 11, 3 by 13. These are the unlike fractions, right? Now come to the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, suppose this is the whole number. You can say 1. And the part of this whole number is, this is the 1 by 4th part. When we write these fractions, this is the whole number and this is the proper fraction. When we write together like this, this is called mixed fraction. Is it okay? This is called mixed fraction. In this mixed fraction, This is the whole number, complete whole number, and this is the proper fraction. When we consist the together, they are called mixed fraction. Now, conversion of unlike fractions to like fraction. Conversion of unlike fraction to like fraction. Means unlike fraction को like fraction कैसे बनाएंगे? Is it okay? Suppose I have the example 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, 7 by 8. These are the unlike fraction. And how to make these fractions to like fraction? You will make these denominators equal. How to make this equal? You will take the LCM of this 3, 4 and 8. Look, 3, 4, 8. We will start the list number 2, 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again we will take 2, 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2. Again we will take here 3, right? Now the LCM of 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 6s are 24, right? Now the LCM is 24 and you will make that all the denominators 24. How to make all denominators 24? Look, 2 by 3. What we have to multiply here? Make denominator 24. Make denominator 24. 8. If we multiply 8, numerator and denominator, then the denominator is 24. 2 8s are. This is the fraction. Again, 3 by 4. Now, 6. Now again 7 by 8. 8, 3. These are the denominators. Now these all denominators are same. So these fractions in like fractions in the form of like fraction. This is the way to convert unlike fraction to like fraction. Is it okay? Now again, how to make the improper fraction to mixed fraction, or you can say mixed fraction to improper fraction. First we take, suppose, mixed fraction. This is our mixed fraction. In this mixed fraction, 2 is the whole number and proper fraction 1 by 5th. 1 by 5th part of this. So, how to make this mixed fraction to improper fraction? You will multiply the denominator with the whole number and plus this part. And here is denominator. This is the way to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. 5 to the 10 plus 1, that is 11 by 5. Is it okay? Now again, this is the improper fraction. How to make this improper fraction to this? In this form, you will divide 11 by 5. 5 to the 10. Here is remainder 1. In this is the divisor and this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Is it okay? And this is dividend. In this part, you will take quotient as the whole number, that is 2, and remainder as this part, and the divisor you will take here. This is the way to take the mixed fraction to, improper fraction to mixed fraction. Right? Now, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Two or more fractions having the same value are representing the same part of whole, that are called equivalent fractions. Suppose this is the whole and I am dividing here to equal parts. This is the what fraction represent this? This is 1 by 2. Again I am taking same reason and I am dividing for equal parts, and now I am shaded here. And what fraction represent this? 2 by 4. Is it okay? Now both the fractions are equivalent. Come to the next point. How to make the equivalent fraction? How to find the equivalent fraction? Right? You will multiply and divide by both the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. Right? Is it okay? Now come. If two fractions are equivalent, suppose A by B and C by D, these are the equivalent fractions, and their cross multiplication is equal. AD is equal to BC, right? Now, what are the simplest form? Suppose I have 2 by 5. Here is the numerator and denominator, both the numbers not having the common factor other than 1. So this is the simplest form. How to find the simplest form to the given fraction? Then you can cancel out the factor of the given fraction in steps. Is it okay? You have to cancel out the factors of the given fraction in steps. Suppose you will cancel the here 2 and 5. Suppose 4 by 6. You will cancel the factor 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now this is the simplest form. Is it okay? Now बंद कर